Hello there, welcome to Learn and Earn with Anathon. Today we'll be feeding you with the top 5 centralized cryptocurrency wallets. So what is a wallet? In simple terms, a cryptocurrency wallet helps you store your cryptocurrency safely. But based on friendly user interface, preference and so on, we have the centralized wallets and decentralized wallets. Centralized wallets are wallets that require the use of a middleman before a transaction takes place. So let's go straight into the top 5 countdown. And at number 5, we have Huobi Global. Huobi Global is a cryptocurrency exchange that helps its users save, withdraw, and trade cryptocurrencies. Huobi Global was founded in 2013, and it is the world's leading company in digital economy industry, with a mission to make breakthroughs in core blockchain technologies and integration of blockchain technology with other industries. One unique thing about Huobi Global is the unique benefits it offers its users. As a VIP user, you are entitled to certain benefits like the festive gifts, birthday gifts, and so on when you get to the required VIP level. At number 4 is Kucoin. Kucoin is a centralized exchange that gives access to a reasonable amount of coins at really low fees. Kucoin has recorded an average of over 10 million users on its program. It also has some VIP privileges when you apply for the Kucoin VIP, like referral bonuses, low interest rates on loans, and so on. Unlike some other wallets, if you're a beginner in other countries like the US, using Kucoin will be a great option for you. And at number 3, we have Gateio. According to CoinMarketCap, Gateio gives its users access to over 500 coins, and it is safe, fast, and reliable. It is currently running in 200 countries around the world, with over 8 million users. Gateio claims to offer fast deposit and withdrawal services to its users and has remained stable and reliable for over 9 years. Number 2, and it's Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the largest US-based cryptocurrency wallets. Now, if you're just getting interested in cryptocurrency, this is one wallet you'd love to, as it has an easy-to-use interface. All right, at number 1, you guessed it, it's Binance. Why we picked it to be top of the chart is because Binance offers relatively low fees. Also, Binance supports advanced users and traders by giving them an option of peer-to-peer exchange, spot price, and trading volumes. And that's it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. See you next time.
Anathon, redefining learning.